More stocks on the deep. We have DKI, YMAT, UBXG, and SNYR. So we'll begin with DKI, down 23.7%. Intraday high was yesterday in the post-market session of yesterday, 7.87. So its stock has not been around long enough. Yet let's see. It was went public on Friday, the 8th of August. Plunged all the way down to the lows of around 3.42 and began to recover. And as of yesterday midday, intraday high 7.26 is that what we have here? 7.87. So just be careful with this one. Downward projections 4.61 doesn't have enough data. 4.61. Let's see what where this company is incorporated. Okay, yeah. So you need to be careful with this. Very, very careful with this one. Okay, so be very careful. So the next is YMAT. YMAT. Let's see what's going on with the stock. Lost 23.52% intraday low in this session, 4.39. Still maintaining that. YMAT. Okay, it's also new as well. Projections are saying upper projection is 5.78. Current price is 4.39. Setting pressure is severely price pressure momentum severely bearish on both the 10 and 21 period moving averages. It has a mix of positive derivatives and a negative derivative. Okay, so indicating that maybe the weakness may not continue, but you can rely on this. You can rely on this. You can rely on that statistics, or that there might be manipulators at hand. You can see now since the 31st of June, since the 31st of July, it's been on an uptrend. The whole of August, yeah. I mean, the whole of much of what has been what of much of August has been in a short-term bullish trend, yeah. And then suddenly it plunged. No news. Let's see what where it's incorporated. Let's see where it's incorporated. Yeah, it indeed. Yes, one of such companies again. Be careful with this one. Just be careful. Yeah, this may have been some sort of rock pool as well, and it. Just be careful with this. So far, DKI and YMAT. Just be careful with them. Always check where they are incorporated. Incorporated. Not that it can happen to any other stock. So the next is UBXG. UBXG down 18.6%. Okay, so let's see what's going on. This looks like the contraction of the expansion that began on the 8th of February of August. So yeah, it's contracting that, trying to contract that expansion. It seems so. Lower prices expected to keep playing out up till Wednesday's pre-market session, and then after that, we might get a consolidation with the bias to the upside up till Thursday, the 4th of September. Okay, so the 10 and 21 period moving averages are in severely bearish. However, they have robust derivatives indicating that maybe the weakness may not continue. Maybe that's why the algos are projecting that the bottom might print by the pre-market session of tomorrow, the 27th. There's no news so far. Let's see what we have. Let's see where this company is incorporated. Yeah, it is one of those companies again. Just be careful. But yeah, in terms of projections, what do we have? 4.16, it's an upper projection. 3.13, 3.52, 3.76. Let's see the daily chart. The line trend is bearish. Upper projection is saying 3.83 and 3.68. It had 5.2, 4.93, 4.5 as of the 5th of June. Setting price pressure momentum is okay. Just maintaining the trend on its 10-day moving average and severely bearish on its 21-day moving average. But derivatives are also positive, just as in the 4-hour chart. So just as in the 4-hour chart, indicating that there might be some support. The weakness is not expected to keep going on, at least in the interim. So let's see. Next is SNYR. SNYR down 16.95%. Yeah, SNYR on the line trend is a bearish one, and okay, so it's expected to move sideways up till tomorrow, or rather, yeah, maybe begin to bounce from tomorrow, the 27th, and may maintain that up till Thursday, the 2nd of October. No guarantee that that will be the case. Okay. Price pressure momentum on its 10 and 21-day moving averages are severely bearish, and it has a mix of negative derivatives, indicating that maybe a balance may be struck at some point pretty soon. Projections on this daily chart, we have 2.78. As of the 18th of August, we had 2.79, 2.96, 3.25, 5.6, 6.5, 7.05. No guarantee those will print. Let's look at the 4-hour chart. Okay, yeah. There's no cause for alarm on this one. But the other ones, you have to be very careful with them. No cause for alarm for Synergy. Let's see what we have. This is a 4 hour chart. So the weakness is expected to remain in place up till midday today, and then after that we get a bounce. Then the downtrend may continue from there. No guarantee that that will be the case. We have 3.2. It's an upper projection as of now. As of yesterday, we had 3.39, 3.6, 3.72. We had as of for the 14th, we had 4.04, 4.27, 4.40. Yeah. Okay. Price pressure momentum severely bearish everywhere. Underlying trend. Sorry. Severely bearish. Derivatives and the price pressure momentum all bearish, indicating that maybe lower prices may continue to print even though a bounce is being extrapolated. Okay, just have a look and see what you make of these stocks. So be careful with DKI, YMAT, and UBXG. I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.